Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the anniversary box from Love Posh. Now, if you are not familiar with her shop, I will of course link it down below and you can go and check out all of her beautiful items. The owner of Love Posh is Jessica, and she is awesome. She creates these beautiful floral stickers, and I absolutely love all of her sticker books. I have a lot of them. I don't have all of them, but I definitely have a lot of them, and I use them very often. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you would be familiar with the different spreads that I have created with her stickers. And if you're not following me on Instagram, head on over there. You can find me at It's a Wonderful Plan, and you can see all of the beautiful things that I've created with her beautiful stickers. All right, so she is celebrating 1 year for her shop, and she created this beautiful anniversary box. The items in here are gorgeous. They're posh, just like she is, because she's just so posh. I mean, her name of her shop just fits her perfectly, and I am really excited to share all of these with you. This right here is her thank you card. She creates these beautiful thank you cards. Like, even just looking at the thank you card, you could see the type of like detail that she puts into her items that she creates. All right, let's get into this. Oh my gosh, so there's 4 items here. I'm gonna start with the smallest item first, and that is these paper clips. Now, I kept these in the little packaging on purpose because I just wanted to share with you how amazing her packaging is. Like, she put this into a little plastic bag just to protect the container itself. And then they're like in a container, these little paper clips. So super cute. Now, I have to open this up, and how am I gonna do this? Oh, I have an idea. So I grab my little knife here. Oh, see, that works. And I just don't want to like maybe slide it off. Yeah, there we go. So slide it right off. I love this container. Like, seriously, come on. Like, how cute is this? All right, it's pretty snug. All right, it wasn't that it was really snug, but there's some adhesive on the outside here. So I went ahead and sliced that so I could open this up and look. Oh my gosh, look at these paper clips. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Now, are these, yeah, they're just, it's one paper clip. I'm gonna just grab the card here. Let's see. Okay, well, obviously I put that backwards, so let's do it the right way here. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, there we go. Okay. How cute. These are so pretty. Like, how pretty is this? Oh my gosh. All right, so there's 8 of those. And then, oh, and then there's another shape in here. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, look how pretty that is. That's really pretty. And looks like there's 8 of those. Yeah. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I love them. They're really, really pretty. And of course, you got a little acrylic case to keep them in. So nice and neat. All right, so the next thing is going to be this beautiful pink mug. Look at how pretty this is. Gosh, it is so pretty. It's got this gold at the bottom with the gold handle. Like, come on, look at how pretty that is. I don't know how many ounces that is. I like the way this feels. I don't know, I'm really weird with my mugs. Like, the handles have to feel just right. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I'm super picky. Then there's 2 items left. One of them is a sticker book, and I don't know what to show you. I'm gonna show you, I'll do the sticker book last because, or should I do that? You know what? I'm gonna do the sticker book now. And then I'm gonna show you the last thing because it's awesome. Here's the sticker book, Blooming Blossoms. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's very similar to her very first sticker book that she had put out, and that was done, of course, on purpose. And let me show you what that one looks like. All right, so here is the very first one that she put out, and this one is Floral Blossoms. So you can see the similarities in the design, and obviously she did that on purpose. So I love that she did that. So pretty. Now let's go ahead and do a detailed flip through of this. And I like saw this really briefly, but I just picked up this box because of the last item that I'm going to show you. Yeah, I mean, everything in here is beautiful, but you'll see. All right, so let's start off. Oh, these are pretty with the peachy and pink, and of course those green leaves in here. And these are all the plastic clear stickers. So that is really pretty. And it looks like there's 2 sheets of those. Ooh, this is pretty. Like, these are very similar color tones, but in a different type of style here. I like this. This is so pretty. So there's 2 of those. Now, I'm not going to show you each sheet because they're just duplicates, but, ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. So this is all in the same color tones. Oh, actually, no. Are they duplicates? Well, this is a duplicate. But this one is a single. And then there's this. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. This one just really caught my eye. And, oh, there's another sheet of those. Ah, and this one. Ooh, that's pretty. So these are all kind of very similar color tones. And then this is a single one. And then it looks like we've got some boxes and some checklists here to coordinate with the florals that I just showed you. And there's 2 pages of those. Okay, all right. Oh, look at this color scheme. Oh, I love it, the pink and the blue. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. All right, so again, we're back to, and of course the boxes are paper, all right, so you can write in them. So now we've got some more of the plastic stickers here. Oh, look at that, the purples and the blues. So pretty, and some pinks. And there's 2 pages of this. All right, and then we have some coordinating boxes to go with those. I love using her colorful boxes. They're so nice. Like, they look like they're really thick, and I'm kind of picky with the colorful boxes. I don't know why. I think I'm just picky, but you could see that the actual outline is not that thick. It's like nice. It's perfect. So I love that she's got the coordinating colorful boxes to go with the florals, because I love my colorful boxes and my florals. So that's why I love buying her items. And these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Now this one is different. Really, really pretty. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, and then we've got some more colorful boxes to coordinate and the checklists. And there's 2 pages of those. Pretty. Look at that purple. Oh, these are gorgeous, gorgeous. There's 2 pages of those. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. Love it. And there's 2 pages of those here. Oh, look at this with the pop of that, like, really, like, bright yellow green. Oh my goodness, that's really pretty with the blue. This combination is so pretty, just really pretty. And then look, it's got like the little detail of just like the little black line art florals. I like that. So pretty. Now wait, is this duplicate? Yes. And then we've got some colorful boxes to coordinate. I love that. Look at the different colors in there just to coordinate beautifully with the florals. I love that. And that is the last of this. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. It's stunning. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stickers. Everything she puts out is gorgeous. I'm telling you, it's really hard not to just buy everything she puts out because they're all just so beautiful. I'm like, I need more planners just to like use all the stickers because there's so many beautiful ones to choose from. All right, let's talk about the last item because I'm so super excited about it. And I feel like she was reading my mind. I have, like I said, so many of her sticker books, and I have been kind of like putting them in my cubicle in my office and just kind of like, you know, lining them up, you know, kind of like so, and just on the shelf. And they're just getting to be a lot, okay? There's a lot of them. I've been like looking for something to store them in, and oh my gosh, she's got it. She's on it, let me tell you. Look at this beautiful storage box. Oh my gosh, it's so, so pretty. All right, I needed to bring this out a little bit, the camera, so you could see this because look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Like this, it's white, it's made out of wood, okay? I just realized it's got her little logo on the back, or on the bottom, I should say. How pretty is that? It's so super smooth. You can leave it just the way it is, or maybe you wanted to decorate it with some stickers. I've seen people do things like that. I personally just like it blank, but you never know, you never know. And then look at these beautiful gold handles. Like, come on, how pretty is this storage box? I mean, what I was looking at was definitely nothing like this. I mean, gorgeous, gorgeous design. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's gonna look so beautiful on my desk. I'm really excited to use this. All right, so here is the sticker book. And look at that. Look at that. How pretty is this? I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Once I set up, like, look, you could fit a lot of sticker books in here. What it said in the description was, I think up to 19 sticker books in here. And then there's a little bit of leeway. So let's say you have something that's, you know, maybe a little bit wider that you want to sneak in there. It's gorgeous. So I absolutely love everything in here. The color of this cup is me. The pink is perfect with the gold accents. The beautiful sticker book, the gorgeous storage box to like put all of her sticker books in. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about this. So I'm going to be kind of playing around with my shelves and see what I can do to get things like really organized and just like showcase this because it's so pretty. And I'll be able to have all my sticker books in there and they won't be flopping around everywhere. And oh, it just makes me so happy. So gorgeous, gorgeous anniversary box. She is so thorough when it comes to how she ships her stuff. I just can't say enough about her products. You know, just everything that she puts into her shop. Like you could tell that she absolutely loves what she does, and she's so super considerate of the people that are receiving them. You know, it's not just, oh my gosh, I got a sale. You know, you could tell she puts a lot of love and consideration when people open this up. And I mean, the thank you card is gorgeous and it's just stunning. So I just wanted to like bring notice to that because I think it's really important to emphasize all of the hard work that she really puts into this. It's just so well worth it. Now, I'm not sure if she will be selling the items separately. I know she will be selling the sticker books separately. I would think that she would. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I can't speak for her, obviously, but this storage container is the bomb. So I hope that she does sell it separately, because who knows, I might be needing myself another one of these, you know what I'm saying? With all her beautiful sticker books coming out. I have the link to her shop down below. You can go ahead and take a look at all of the beautiful items that she has. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Please drop a comment down below, and be sure you are subscribed here to my channel. And when you do subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when my videos come out. I generally have a video coming out every Saturday evening. However, if I get stuff in, then I'm gonna wanna share it with you. So I'm gonna put videos out throughout the week. So be sure that you have that notification on. That way you know when my videos are posted, and you can see all of the goodies that I have to share with you. All right, well, thank you so much. And just a little bit of a heads up, I placed a few orders. I have placed a few orders this past week. So I've got some fun stuff coming in, and, you know, gonna want to share it with you. And be sure that you're following me on Instagram, because sometimes I just do a story on there and share things on there. And yeah, so find me on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan. I do have the link down below in my description for you to easily get to it. All right, thank you again. Bye.